Yeah, haven't seen the doorway. Your job's going to be keeping the wild animals out and the party animals in. We are off. Wave goodbye to the beautiful people on our dock. Bye. We'll see you in 3 weeks. I'm kidding. You'll never see them again. As we enter the rainforest, I want to welcome everyone to the world-famous Jungle Cruise. Now, for your own safety, please remain seated at all times. Please keep your hands on feet right inside the boat. Parents, please supervise your children. Now, in the event you drop something important in the water, please raise your hand. I'll raise mine. We'll both wave goodbye to it together. Underwater. Now, watch out for the wildlife to our right, folks. The taller ones are harmless, but the smaller ones can latch on and drain your bank account for 18 to 20 years. At least that's what my mom says. Our first stop is an ancient Cambodian shrine. Short centuries ago, is now home to animals like this 500-pound tiger. Now, do you know why tigers have stripes? It's actually a survival adaptation that prevents them from being spotted.
Look, in the water.
The alligator down the side. Ginger snap. Our next stop is the sacred bathing pools of the Indian elephant.
Did you go on the train ride already?
No need to look away, folks. They have their trucks on.
Did you go on the train ride already?
I nailed it. These dad jokes are putting me
Over here on the right, that's little baby Squirt. Yeah, he takes after his old man, Big Squirt. Oh, there's Big Squirt. Uh-oh. Squirt, down, down. Uh-oh. Coming in for another one, everybody. Watch out, watch out. Oh, he's just saying hi. Oh, that's my right. What's the close one? No, we did have a safari captain up here. It looks like it's just monkey business now. Now, if we have any guests wearing any yellow on board today, be very cautious. It might find you appealing. On our left, folks, you'll see a beautiful bamboo forest. But if you look carefully past the bamboo, you will see absolutely nothing like Levant. Past the world-famous Schweitzer Falls. We'll go over that later, though. Because we are now going down the Nile River, the longest river in the world, stretching 4,000 miles across Africa. Now, if you don't believe me, you're in denial. On our left, folks, you'll see the second most feared animal of the jungle, African bullfrog. Now, if you're wondering what the first feared animal is, it's to our right, his mother-in-law. Welcome, everyone, to the African South, home to a variety of animals. Just over here, you'll see wildebeest, zebra. Now, those big tall things in the back, those are trees. Oh, isn't that sweet, folks? A family of lions is taking care of that sleeping zebra. Yeah, that's how they sleep. Eyes open, neck bent. Isn't nature beautiful? Uh-oh, there's that lost safari. Looks like they're having their ups and downs. Ooh, everybody on the bottom. That's my friend Ina. Everyone say, hi, Ina.
Hi, Ina.
Yeah, they should have been arguing behind him. That's their point across, yeah.
Her name is Hyena. To a pool of hippos. Now, hippos are very territorial, but they're only dangerous if they wiggle their ears or blow bubbles. They are getting a little too close. I'll fire some warning shots to scare them off. Please cover your ears. Yeah, I'll teach you to charge my boat, you hypocrite. I only take cash.
looks like the villagers are celebrating. Let me see if I can translate for you all. You've all been waiting for the eighth wonder of the world. That's part of the world. Now, kids, so excited at home, you lay your head on the book. Our last stop is the Amazon River. These waters are home to man-eating piranha. The women and children should be safe. But the slightest change in the water could alert them to our presence, so we're taking nice and slow. Now watch out for that pond coming on our left. It measures 3.14159 meters long. Oh, this tree is Sam, everyone. He's a head salesman here in the jungle. His business has been drinking.
There's Sam.
Oh, and his dog, Ellie. The weird looking dog. Alright, friends, it looks like we arrived. Back in civilization, give yourselves a round of applause. Oh, you folks have been an outstanding crew.